Now we're going to talk about WordPress plugins. So plugins are what you use with your WordPress site to enhance your site, increase its functionality, and anything actually that you can think of. Any improvement, any enhancement, any function that you can imagine with your website, there will be a plugin for that. Because aside from the plugins that you can download from the internet or that you can buy, you can also write or code your own WordPress plugin. Please note, however, that you can only use plugins with the self-hosted version or the one that you get from WordPress.org. So you cannot use this for the version of WordPress that comes with WordPress.com. You can only use this with the self-hosted version. So aside from getting or downloading the version from WordPress.org, you'd also need your own hosting account and your own domain name or website name. Now, you might notice that there are tons of free WordPress plugins, and of course, there will also be paid or premium plugins. Now, most people would go for the free ones, but it is actually better to get paid plugins simply because you already have a support staff who can help you out just in case you ran into some issues with your plugin. So for those issues that you might encounter, these would include incompatibility, conflict with other plugins, and the plugin might not work with the current version of WordPress. Especially, please take note that WordPress upgrades its version every now and then. So the plugin that you have on your WordPress site that is working might not work next year when WordPress decides to make an upgrade. So again, that's the advantage of the paid or premium plugins. They have support staff who is ready to help them out. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.